Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imole. I am a student and I own a successful shoemaking business here in Nigeria called Work with Yango. Kindly go and follow us on Instagram. Make sure to patronize us. Thank you very much. If you're a new viewer, please subscribe, like, comment. I really do appreciate it. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I am so delighted to have you back here with us. So yeah, without further talk, let's get into the video. Well, as you already know, I expect you to have your pen and your paper ready, and if you don't, it's time to go and get it because I'm about to give you points that you need to jot down. So the first thing I'll be talking about is your product or your service. I'll be going with product because, like I said, whatever I'm sharing with you guys is going to be in tune with my business. The first way to retaining a customer is making sure that the product that you're offering is a very good quality product, because no one wants to come back and buy a substandard product from you. I know there is a target market, but if your product does not have good quality, I can promise you that the chances of you getting someone to come back and come and buy that product is going to be very low. They can't obviously gift it to somebody, they can't recommend it for somebody. These are things that are literally limiting your chance of getting even more buyers and retaining the same person that bought that product from you. So you have to make sure that the product you're actually selling is of good quality. Another important thing I want to discuss is customer service. How you handle your client right from when they DM you for a product to when they receive their product. If further, if they have complaints, the way you also handle the complaints is very important. All of these things are very important. For my business, I like to create an ambience where the customer feels comfortable, because when you feel comfortable in a place, definitely you always want to come back. I don't try to be so stiff, so professional. I try to impute a little bit of my personality into my business, and it helps. It actually helps because most of my customers, they recommend me to people, they tell people about my business. So I just create that kind of comfortable, relatable kind of experience for my customers. Always check up on your customers. You follow up on their deliveries. Ask them if they received their package. Show concern. After they receive their package, ask them how was the product. Was it good? Just ask for their review. It's very important you ask for their review. So just leave them like that. Just let them go like that. You can even message them like months later, 2 months later of them using your product, and ask them, are you still enjoying this product? What's your experience with it so far? So they know that you care about their experience. They know you care about your product. So all these things actually help as well in creating an image for your business. You can also recommend products for them, because there's this particular person that I wanted to purchase something for. Like, there are two different brands. So one of them actually has that kind of relation, like she relates with her customers in comment section. Let's say they have complaints, she apologizes, she addresses them. Whenever they need a particular product, she advises them, okay, this is what you need, this is what I would advise you to go for. But this other person, if you complain about something in the comment section, she'll attack you. She'll attack you. If you ask for recommendations, she'll be like, she's not recommending anything, that you just go for what you want. I know that I know there are reasons why you have to do this, but at the same time, nobody knows your product better than you. So that's why they ask these questions, because they want to know these things. So if someone is asking you about a product, you should patiently explain to them, because you're the one that knows your product best. So this is you just going the extra mile for your customers. And answering these questions can also prevent trouble or bad reviews or all of these things from happening. So that's just the way it is. You have to make your customers feel like you have them in mind, you care about them, you've got their back. It's very important. So if they have any special concerns, don't overlook it, always attend to it, and do not be rude to your customers. Do not be rude. I know sometimes you might be going through your own personal thing that you're dealing with, but then if you are feeling anger, if you are feeling irritation or something like that, I would advise you just go offline, take a break. You can always come back and attend to your customers' DM. Or maybe your customer is actually annoying you, you can just take a break, just leave the DM, don't respond, then come back when you feel like you are more rational and you can address the person without being rude and stuff like that. So just be very deliberate on how you answer your customers, and keep in mind that the way you address them will definitely have an impact on them coming back to you. But definitely, if you create a good ambience for them, they will definitely want to come back. But if your customer service is shit, trust me, you've lost them. Packaging is a way to get a customer coming back. It just tells what about your brand, so you can include your business name, your contact information, your email accounts, your social media handles as well. So always make sure to include that, so that whenever people see your packaging bag, they might as well want to contact you. Invest in your packaging material. Don't break your bank. Know what you can afford. Don't break your bank. Please always know how much you are making. Be aware of how much you are making and know, okay, this is the certain percentage that can go into packaging, and make sure it's sustainable, so you not go overboard. You can do something simple. Maybe the design you do can make your packaging look aesthetic, make it look beautiful, classy, just presentable, just something that, okay, when I see it, I'll be like, oh, this thing is so fine. Or like, you don't even need to break the bank. Just having a cute bag alone is enough to make somebody happy. And it shouldn't be a packaging material that maybe where your clients is looking at the package, they'll be hiding it, they'll be scared of carrying it to a place where people can see it. So just be conscious of this kind of thing. You might have a good product, but if your packaging is not up to standard, it won't really. You can have a good product, but if your packaging is very, very poor, not that good, it won't really give your product the value it deserves. So some people can even have a product that the quality is not that good, but because of the way the packaging is, people are more likely to go towards that person, to purchase from that person that purchased from you. Imagine you selling Louis Vuitton now in one, maybe you're using one very tacky paper bag to sell a Louis Vuitton product, and someone else is selling just a random slide, but then he branded the slide, put in the shoe label, put in the shoe tag, put in the delivery bags or a shoe box. Which one are you likely going to go for? I'm very certain that you likely go for the person that did all the whole nice packaging. So that is why packaging is very important. People will be more, if your packaging is very nice, people want to even show it off. Like, they can just make a video of them receiving the package or do an unboxing video for you, because they want other people to see how fine the packaging looks like. It gives value to your product, if that makes sense. It gives value to your product, so they want to also show it off. And while showing it off, someone else might see this and be like, oh wow, this looks good, who did you get it from? Let me also go and purchase from this person. So that is how important the packaging material can have influence on your product and your sales as well. So just make sure you try your best to be creative. You can't afford to get the very, very grand packaging. Just make sure that the utility is actually still very, very presentable. So that's just the major thing about it. My name is Imole, and I am the owner of Okutiango brand. Okutiango is a handmade footwear brand where we make quality handmade shoes for men, most especially. We make brogues, we make boots, we make slides, we make Birkenstocks, we make every footwear that can be handmade, we make it. Production is going to start, and production is going to take 7 to 10 working days. So within these 7 to 10 working days, your footwear will be ready. Now for delivery, we're making use of a dispatch rider, a bus pack, or a home delivery option. Your friends, tell your family, tell everyone you know. I also want this medium to appreciate you guys for your patronage, your support, your reviews, your referral. Thank you for supporting us. This is another way you can get new customers, is by creating awareness. Because mind you, my business is dominant on WhatsApp, so most of the tips I'll be sharing with you are WhatsApp related. Personally, I send BCs like where you send a broadcast message to everyone on your contact list, to them to help you repost, or just to send something to them to keep them aware that, oh, you're offering this thing on your WhatsApp status. Not everybody will obviously go and check your status. Not everybody, they might not check your status every day, so they might miss out on important information. So you can send them a BC, that way they are more likely to check their DM to see, okay, this is what you sent. Oh, then they will be aware that, okay, something's going on your status that they should go and look out for. Depending on your business, some people use email marketing to keep them informed of special offers, new designs, your launch, your whatever it is going on. So even if you're not even offering anything, you can just, oh, we're open today, please make sure to make a purchase from us today. They might even be, okay, let me go and see what people have to offer, if they have anything new, if they have something I can get, or oh, I just remember I have an event, let me quickly make a shoe with this person. Do you get? So this is why sending a private message or an email marketing or a BC is very important, to create awareness, to put you back in their mind again, to retain you in their mind as well for whenever they want to get a product. So it's very important to always reach out to your customers, always message them from time to time. Even if you're not marketing it, even if there's no discount, just reach out to them. You can just ask them, okay, how are they doing today, or just thank them for shopping with you, thank them for doing business with you previously, ask them for their experience, things like that. Just try to create that kind of engagement with them. So it's very important as well. Another valuable way to retain a customer is always having something to offer. You can offer them a discount, you can offer them sales, it can even be free delivery, something that would attract them to keep them coming back. For instance, now let's say I want to buy a product and I know how much I will spend on delivery charges, I know how much the product itself is worth. But if you are telling me that I can buy this product for a cheaper price, definitely I want to come back and buy from you, knowing that your product itself is good, knowing that your customer service too is good. Obviously, I'll be more encouraged to come and buy this thing from you, or even recommend it to my friends that I know this person is selling this thing at a cheaper price, or they're currently running a sale. I'll be more likely to come back and purchase from you. You don't have to go over about the free delivery. You can go with offering a delivery discount. You can do a 50% delivery discount. You can do a 75% delivery discount. You can do a 25% delivery discount. Whatever you know is okay for you. You don't have to go out of your way. The little things you do for your business, the little offers you make is enough. You can also do sales. Sales is majorly you just reducing your price for a certain duration of time. Our advice, I won't give you a specific time. I encourage you on your own, try to think of what is best for your business. Some people would say 3 days sales, some people would say 5 days sales, some people would say 24-hour sales. So you're the one that knows what you want to do. You're the one that knows. I've done a 9-day sales, I've done a 2-week sales, so a 2-week sale. So I look at my business, I look at what I want to gain from this and stuff, and I decide on what I want to do. So I don't just go by somebody saying that sales is supposed to be 3 or 7 days. Just do what you feel is best for your own business and best for you as well. So sales is a way of reducing price and also maximizing profit, which means that you get to have a lot of people DM you to purchase that product, and at the same time you get to make maximal profit from it. There's this thing I do. This is the tea I'm about to give you guys, the tea. So that's why I say you should also always make your research. So this thing I do, I offer a loyalty card kind of thing. So what I do in it is that I wrote it in a way that, like, on your first and second order, you're going to make full payments, but on your third order, you'll be getting a 20% discount. Now on your fourth and fifth order again, you're going to pay the actual cost of the product. Then on your sixth order, you're going to get a 20% discount again, just like that. So like every three orders, you get a 20% discount. This means that if this person is purchasing something from me, he knows that if I buy shoe from her today, if I make a shoe from her another time again, he knows already that on his third purchase he's going to get a 20% discount. But if you patronize another shoemaker, he loses the chance to get a step closer to reaching my 20% discount. You see, this is how to retain customers. So definitely you want to stick with me because he knows that there's something to gain from sticking with me. So you have to find a way. Think of how you can offer customers things that will make them stay. It doesn't necessarily have to be free delivery. It doesn't necessarily have to be discount. Like I said, the loyalty card thing that I did now is a way to keep them coming back. So you have to always think of a way and research to know how you can give them these offers. Customers always want to see something new. When they patronize you the first time, they went through your product and they picked what they wanted. Now again, if they want to come back and get something from you, they want to see the new things you have to offer them. So let's make sure you have something new to bring to the table. Maybe a new line of clothes. Let's say you make journals. It can be the same kind of journal concept, but then the cover is different. Or let's say you have a prayer journal, a business journal. You can just keep on adding different types of journals. Just always make sure you have new things to offer them so that they can have a reason to keep coming back to patronize you, because if they come and buy something from you, and then the next time they probably want to come back, is it the same thing they will still want to come and buy? Except if you are making a skincare product, for instance. Now, in that case, they know that, okay, this is what I bought, this is what worked for me, this is what I'm coming back for. All these tips I'm giving is dependent on depend on the kind of business you have. So if your business is the type that requires you having to do something different, please make sure you do something different. Have something more that your customers can come back for. Always market your reviews. Your reviews is not something you should keep for yourself. Your reviews is something that you can use to, of course, encourage yourself, but at the same time it's something you can use to get new customers and even get people that have not even patronized you before to recommend you to people, because they can see that other people that have used your product are actually dropping good reviews about their product, so they'll feel more confident telling their friend that, oh, I'm not patronized from this person, but I know that this person has lots of reviews. So always market your reviews, market your reviews, market your reviews, market your reviews. If you've solved the problem for somebody, market it. If someone dropped a good comment about how swift your delivery was, market it. If someone dropped a comment about your customer service, market it. If someone referred a product, if someone was referred to you, market it too, because referral only comes when people trust you, when people use your product and they like it, they can refer your product to people. So always market that. It shows that you're reliable, you're trustworthy, your products are good, you're doing well. So thumbs up. So yeah, always market everything you can market. It is not for you alone, it's also for people out there that will likely want your service as well. So that's all the tips I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for getting to this point of the video. Also recommend to your friends by sharing this video with them. Subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Bye.